Hello, I'm going to teach you how to make the best paper airplane ever. Okay, you have a hot dog, fold it so it's even with the edges. That's even. Okay, you got it like this, like a triangle almost. You take this end, right here, flop it down so it's even right there. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but it makes it better. Okay, so now you got this thing. Okay, you fold the pointy part over like that. Now you got a house with an elongated roof. Okay, you flip it over so this is on the front, like that. You fold this edge to match this edge. So now you got a smaller thing. Then flatten this part out right here because it's going to have a little crumple. And that will ruin it if you don't have it like that. Okay, so now you got this thing. You see? So this is on top, the flap. And you roll it over. Flatten it. Flatten this part. You roll it over again. Flatten it with your fist or something. Okay, now flip it over. So you have this thing right here. Put your finger here through that little hole right there. Put that extra little flap in there. See how I folded it in there? Squeeze it so it, yeah. Okay, and then you bend this in half. So you bend the whole thing in half so the flap is on the inside. Flatten it as hard as you can. Okay, so now you got this little flap right here. You put your finger just a little bit, pull the flap out so it's like that, and then squeeze again. Okay, now you got a little flap to throw it with. And now you hold it. You hold it like this with your finger in the flap right there, and then the two fingers right there, and then you throw it. Use your middle finger for power. I didn't throw it very hard, that's why I didn't go very far. So that's about all you do. It's going to be heavy, and it's not going to hover. It's not going to hover very long. But it really flies.